Are you sitting comfortably? 'Cause it's Grandma's story time. Let's see what adventures we're going to get up to today. The Runaway Tractor. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boot the farmer and her 2 children called Poppy and Sam and a dog called Rusty. Ted is the tractor driver. He has filled the trailer with hay and is taking it to the field to feed the sheep. Poppy and Sam hear a funny noise. "Listen," says Sam. "Ted is shouting and the tractor is making a funny noise. Let's go and look." They ran to the top of the hill. The tractor is racing down the hill, going faster and faster. "It won't stop," shouts Ted. The trailer comes off. The trailer runs down the hill and crashes into a fence. It tips up and all the hay falls out. The tractor runs into a pond. The tractor hits the water with a great splash. The engine makes a loud noise, then stops with a hiss. Ted climbs down from the tractor. Ted paddles through the water and out of the pond. Poppy and Sam run down the hill. Ted is very wet. Ted takes off his boots and tips out the water. How can he get the tractor out of the pond? Go ask Farmer Dre to help. Ask someone to telephone Farmer Dre, says Ted. Poppy and Sam run off to the house. Farmer Dre has a big horse. Soon he walks down the hill with his horse. It's a huge cart horse called Dolly. Ted helps with the ropes. Farmer Dre ties the ropes to the horse. Ted ties the other end to the tractor. Dolly pulls and pulls. Very slowly, the tractor starts to move. Ted pushes as hard as he can and Dolly pulls. Ted falls over. The tractor jerks forward and Ted falls in the water. Now he is wet and muddy all over. The tractor is out of the pond. "Better leave the tractor to dry," said Farmer Dre. "Then you can get the engine going again." Poppy and Sam ride home. Farmer Dre lifts them up on Dolly's back, but Ted's too muddy. He has to walk. The end. Ted was extremely lucky that Farmer Dre and the horse Dolly was there to help get his tractor out of the pond, wasn't he? Remember, Grandma loves you. Mwah, 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 mwah.